Okay guys, so on my previous episode, I was here, I knocked all that out to get money, and I unlocked the pizza van. Now, I'm going to unlock, I don't know what it's called, but I can look at, no, it's not what, okay, here it is. I don't know what it's called, but I'll probably search the web for, see what it's called, but I have no clue what it's called. So, I'm gonna use this guy. He's awesome, sort of. And then, but let me see what that is. Oh, I didn't see that. I'll unlock him next. Okay, let's see if I can do it, because I only have a few characters. Who will I need to do this? I guess I need to just jump in there. Oh, it can be easy. Maybe I'll have to destroy some stuff. Nope. Okay, so this is the hard part. Maybe there's something on the ground that I probably have to do. It will open it somehow, maybe. Maybe it's not like the... Okay, so it turns out I'm not gonna unlock that. I'm gonna try to unlock... Nope, no, still not that. Where did they go? I had it somewhere. You know what's so weird is that I already have him and it asked me for that. It's so weird. No. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. He should be, I think, around here. Let me try this one. Let's see if I can do this one maybe. That one was confusing. There wasn't even like no fantastic thing to do or anything. So weird. Mind control, got it. Oh, okay. And that is something with the octopus. The Dr. Octopus. I know it's something with that. Let's see. It is the Mandren's buggy.
Remember to pause the game and take a break if you're feeling tired.
What? No. I'll never do that. Oh, sometimes. Let's see. What is that? It is an English. Okay, let's see. That one is hard. I don't know where that is. It's in the middle of the sea. That one I don't get. No, that one I don't get either. We could. Oh, here it is. I know. I found it. I think it's like the spider jet, maybe. And the other one was, I think, the spider truck. I'm not for sure yet. But let's see. Oh, it's taking forever. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You have to. Okay. No. I was about to just change character to somebody for extra fast. Yeah, we're going down. Oh, this doesn't look that bad. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. Let's see if he has super strength. Nope. No super strength. For you. Oh. Spider copter. That's what it is. Let's take a look at that. Let's see. Let's take a look at that spider copter. Hey, this is faster than walking. Flying or driving, whatever. See how much it is. As long as it's 150, 250, I don't care if it's 450. I have enough, I think. Nope, I have enough for 450. Let's please, and there's a spider. Okay, let's test it out. Nice. Okay, let's check. Oh, I think it's 2 people. It might be 2 people. Let me check. So go backwards. Yeah. Oh no, it's 2 people. The driver, or it might be 1. I don't know. Hey, get out of there, Thor. You can fly. I can't fly. I can, but okay. Okay, yeah, I like this one. And that is all for right now. But remember, comment down below if you have any other questions or you want to find out what the cheat code is for this. Because I can totally tell you what. Well, if there is a cheat code, but I don't know. So just comment down below if you like it or if you want to know the cheat code. And if you have any cheat codes of yourself that you found, please. But here are some recommendations. Magneto. Who else? Magneto, Stanley, Deadpool, or Mystique. If you find any of those, then just tell me, or you can just, even if you want me to subscribe to your channel and then you'll tell me. I don't care as long as I know what they are. Okay, but I will unlock one more thing because it's literally right here. Yeah, it's literally right here. Nice. Okay, because it's literally right here. I'll just unlock it. And watch. Yep. Oh no. Got you. Got you. Where are you now? Got you. 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 Got 4 more. Got you. Oh, okay, I'll just get you. Let's go now. Got you. Got you. Got you. Got you. Got you. Got you. You. Yeah. I thought it was for him. Well, now I need 4. Now just 3 more. You, and 1 last one. You. The raid truck. And then that's, now, I believe that's all for today. And then, later on today, I will show you how to unlock. I forgot his name, but I know him off of one of the Spider-Man movies. I will show you how to unlock that guy. I think he's Iron Fist. Alright, bye.